fellas! My name's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. This is cringy. Hold on, let me start over. Hello, fellas. My name's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Wait, I need to... Fellas, what is up? I'm Maddie. This is my channel. Welcome to it. And if you're new... Hi. Hey fellas, what's up? It's Maddie. Welcome to my channel. And if you're new here... Wait, no. Welcome... Okay. Hey fellas, what's up? It's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Can I just get a round of applause? We're finally finishing that. After the amount of times I've said that intro, you would think that I would know how to say it properly, but I guess not. So today I'm going to be doing my makeup. I haven't done my makeup on this channel in a while. Maddie, Beauty Guru Maddie is long gone. I just really like simple, natural looking makeup. That's like kind of my thing right now. I feel like I kind of mastered makeup. I was kind of James Charles level, so I couldn't really get any better than that. So I just was like, okay, time to move on to something new, you know? So, but yeah, my makeup style has changed drastically. I just really like the natural look now. I think it's really pretty and flattering, and you know, it's nice to not cake everything on your face, just like accentuate your features. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to do a nice, easy, simple summer makeup routine. We're going to have a nice chat. It's going to be fun. Let's go ahead and get started. Yeah. Okay, so I'm turning on this mirror, so the light's going to change a little bit. It's really weird because I have a light coming from here and a light, it's not very good, but you know, we're on a budget. So to start off, depending on what I'm doing that day, if I'm going to be outside, I'll use this. I won't use primer. I'll just start with sunscreen. This is tinted, and I really like this stuff. It's SPF 41. I don't know why 41. That's such a random number. Like, that kind of bothers me. I think they're just trying to be, like, fancy, but it's this something Elta MD Skincare. Yeah, I really like this stuff. My mom got it, and she uses it, and now that's what I use, so. But I'm not going to be outside today. I actually have a job interview, thank God. Oh, I really want to get this job. I need something to do. I'm so bored. Okay, so we're going to just go ahead and start off with primer. My OG is the Milk Makeup Blur Stick. I literally don't use anything else but this. Actually, that's a lie. I use something else with it, but like this is the primer. I always use this primer, and I never don't use it. So I just like to put this in my T-zone, you know, fill in all of my pores. As I've gotten older, I've started to have pores now, like visible ones, and I don't like it. And then on top of that, I use the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. Yeah, I think that's what it's called. It just gives me a nice glow to the skin. I only use a little bit of it though. I put that kind of like everywhere. I didn't put the other stuff. Nice. Guys, my acne's clearing up. I don't know why. I think I was just eating a lot of sugar because I would have like ice cream every single day, and now that I've stopped doing that, I think that's what it is. But my acne was so bad. It's kind of starting to clear up, so I hope putting makeup on doesn't make it worse. I'm usually tanner than this because I self-tan, but I'm waiting till right before I go to the beach to do that. So I have a darker concealer, and then I have a lighter one, and I probably will mix the two today, but usually I just use the darker one during the summer. This is... why did I just die? This is the Catrice Liquid Camouflage Concealer. It's waterproof, and it's pretty full coverage, and I really like this. It's really cheap. I think it's like $6, maybe $4. And I really like this concealer. I fall in love too easily. Then I'm just gonna take a damp beauty blender and blend that in. I fall in love too fast. Now, right after I blend that out, I quickly take the Master Fix by Maybelline and set that because I don't want it to crease.
I fall in love too terribly.
And I usually will also use that for the concealer for any like acne I have to cover that up, but I don't have any that I need to cover up right now. The next thing we do is bronzer. Also, ow, 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 ow. If you saw my last video, I'm filming this the day after I filmed my painting video. And yesterday I played guitar for 5 hours, which I mentioned in that video, and I made a joke about having carpal tunnel, but I actually think I sprained my wrist. Like, it hurts so bad. Like, oh my gosh. Whenever I move it, and I don't know how that's possible to like sprain your wrist playing guitar, because it hurt, and then I like kept playing, which like, but I didn't think it was gonna, it just really hurts very bad. Oh, I shouldn't have squeezed it. So yeah, hopefully that gets better, because that would be that's not fun. Anyway, I'm going to be taking the Chanel Soleil Tan de Chanel bronzer. This is a cream bronzer. I'm taking this brush and I'm just going to kind of lightly, I start with like stippling motions.
Hard for love to ever last.
And then after I stipple it, I take this beauty blender and put it in there just like really lightly, and then I use that to kind of blend out anything.
I fall in love.
Beautiful. Okay, I don't always do this, but that bronzer is really warm, so sometimes I like to cool it down. So I take this Jordana Sculpt and Go stick. I got this at Walgreens. It was really cheap, and I really like it because it's like really cool toned. So I just put that under my cheekbones and then blend it out. Okay, so I do see a couple acne spots, so I'm gonna cover them up really quick. Okay, so now I'm gonna do some blush. I have these Glossier Cloud Paints. I've never used them before. I just got them and I'm really excited because I hear great things. I'm gonna use this one in, is this one Puff or, no, this is Beam. It's like the more corally. Oh my gosh, it's so, look at that. That's going on my face. And then I'm gonna take this little stippling brush. This is going to be really pigmented, I can already tell.
Too easily, I fall in love too.
Cute, I love that, oh my gosh. Okay, so now I'm going to do a little cream highlight. This is Jordana Glow and Go stick. It's just a really neutral color, which I like. Not too gold, not too pink. So I'm just gonna put that on the high points of my face. Now I take this Thrive Cosmetics, it's like a highlighting pencil thing, and I use it for my inner corners and my brow bone. It's really easy and handy, and I really like it a lot. I got it in I think my FabFitFun box. And I dig it. So the next thing I do is just take some Hoola bronzer and I run that in my crease really quick. And then I put just a little bit under my eyes. Alright, we're almost done. So now I do my brows with the Glossier Boy Brow. I just run it through, make them nice and fluffy. This is a brand new one.
For love to ever.
Now I curl my eyelashes. Now I take my Benefit Roller Lash and put it on my eyelashes. And now what I do is I take the Master Fix powder again. And I just take a little bit of this and put it on my nose. just where like my pores get the biggest, because of all the cream product, it like makes my pores, you know, big. So I just put a little bit there. And last but not least, I take my setting spray. I'm almost out of it, as you can tell. And we're done. I put my clothes on and my earrings on. I feel like an adult right now. It's really weird. I don't like it very much. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you so much. And I hope you have a great day. And I hope you have a great summer. And I hope your life is going well and swell. And I love you. And yeah. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Go black.
I fall in love too easily. I fall in